Hi everybody, I have a couple of exploding boxes I want to show you that we've done for a double wedding. Let's see, get it all in there. This one has the windows that say I love you. Each one of these pockets has a tag. This one has a tag on the back. This one says I love you and folds out into a photo mat. On the back, there's a card that says happily ever after and love. And this one has 3 photo mats in it. This one has a slider card and a photo mat, of course, and a little decorative photo mat. This one has I'm not even sure I can still do this. This one just boggles my mind. Nah, I can't do it. This is disturbing, isn't it? It works though. There it goes. One way or the other. Folds out into different somehow or other. There it goes. Anyway. Another photo, 2 photo mats. And this folds out into several different photo mats. This is a card that opens up. Shutter card. This one opens to a hidden journaling spot or photo mat. Another photo mat. Another photo mat. Oh, and I didn't put this one back. This one folds out to a nice little photo mat. And a bride and groom card. This one is magnetic, holds down, opens up. This one is a little place for small photos. More mats. Little envelopes with cards in them. They can put little photos or whatever on. This one is an actual card that opens. This one, just married. This one folds out. I don't think I'm going to get this whole thing in the video, but has a card here that comes out and opens up into 2 more places. Little tags and a photo mat. And the cake comes off with a little place for a gift inside. And that's it. I hope they really like it, and thank you for watching.